Welcome to another video, guys. We're going to be making this boubou with strap, but we're going to be putting our own strap at the back because the client doesn't want it at the front, and we're going to be using this fabric here. So I have, this old fabric. I think it's about 5 or 6 yards. So the first thing I did was to fold the fabric using the length I want. Then I folded again towards the same edge. As you can see in the video, the folded part is towards me, it's facing my side. So first thing first, I'm going to be marking the shoulder measurement divided by 2. So after marking that, then you're going to impute the length of the person's sleeve. What the length is, you're going to also mark it. Then you had your hemming allowance, and for this I have about 1.5 inches hemming allowance, as you can see. So the next thing now, there's not going to be shoulder joining, so this is not going to have a shoulder join. So the next thing, you want to mark your neck width, the neck measurement. So for this, both the front and the back is going to have the same measurement. So the neck width I used there is 3.5 inches because the client doesn't want it very wide. Then for the depth, I used 7.5 inches. If you want it deeper, you can actually do 8.5, or 7.5 is just, fine for the client. So I'm just going to go ahead and mark the neck measurement, after which we're going to take the body measurement. So for the body measurement, here is what I'm going to do. Firstly, I'm going to take my sleeve opening, and for this I did 12 inches. Also, this is a matter of choice. You're going to determine how wide you want your sleeve opening to be. So after that, I'm going to take the body measurement of I used the hip measurement, which is the biggest part of the client's body. I divided by 4. I added 2, 3, 4 inches ease. You can do 2, 3, 4, but in this case I added just 3 inches ease, and that is what I impute on all of the measurements from the sleeve opening down to the hem of the dress. So now I'm trying to create my sleeve from the measurements I just explained. So the hip divided by 4 plus your seam or your ease allowance and also the seam allowance is what I'm taking now. I'm going to take it down to the hem of the dress, So it's a boubou anyways, guys. It's a boubou, so it's supposed to be free, it's supposed to be big. I mean, what's a boubou when it's not bogus? So that is that. So now I'm making all of these I'm connecting them into a straight line. Now at that armhole area, I'm going to create a slight curve so that it's not going to have a sharp edge. So I'm just going to go out by 1 inch, and I'm going to use that to create, a slight curve. And then you can go ahead to cut out our fabric. At this point, if you want a pocket, mark your pockets side where you want your pocket to be, just the side at this point. Now this is what I have after opening. Now I'm going to open this up because I want to cut my facing. So open it up so that the one part is towards your left and the other part is towards your right side. Then get enough fabric, place it under. Now I'm pinning it. I have a fabric under my neckline already. Then cut out your facing. Make sure it's exactly like. Now at this point, I'm going to mark what I need for the back strap. So I marked 2 inches from the shoulder line. Then I now marked what I needed for the strap, and I want the strap to be about 1.5 inches long here, or wide. So now I'm marking what I'm going to be needing, and I'm going to use that to cut the strap we need for the back. So after getting that, I have the strap that is lying around. I used it. I just, it was going to work for me. So I'm going to set that aside and continue cutting out the facing. Now after I'm done cutting, I'm going to remove the cloth and remark my facing properly. I'm not just going to use the whole of this fabric. So I decided to just mark about 3.5 inches all round, and that is what I used. I connected all of these lines together, and then I cut out my facing, because facing is the first thing we're going to be doing on the when we move to the sewing part. So I'm just going to, right sides facing each other. I'm going to place the fabric, the facing on the dress, and I'm going to pin it down. Now at this point, we are still going to input our strap. Let's not forget we have a strap that is going to go into the back. So I'm going to look for where that mark is that I had. So I'm now going to sandwich. Now look at how I'm going to be imputing the strap. I've ironed the strap, guys. I've ironed it. I've done what I needed to do. So I'm just going to put it in this way. You can see me putting it like that. Then I'm going to pin it down. Pin the facing down on it. Now the strap is between the facing and the dress. So I'm going to pin it down and I'm going to start my sewing somewhere around that side. Now don't forget we are going to still put the strap on the other side. So we will not sew to that point. We're just going to sew to a certain point, then wait so that we can insert our other side of the strap. I hope this makes sense. It is actually not complicated if you just watch the video. So I've sewn that. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the other side of that strap. Look at the video closely. Also, I'm going to sandwich it in between the facing and the dress, and I'm going to align it properly. Then go to the sewing machine to sew the remaining side part of my facing to the dress, and that is just it. Then I'm going to come back, notch, and after notching, I'm just going to turn in my facing and I'm going to iron it properly so that it can lay. And here is what we have. You can see that the strap is inside the fabric, like you won't see the rough edges of the strap. So the next thing, you're going to fold the sleeve. You're going to fold in the hem of the sleeve area for both sides. After that, you're going to align the sleeves because we're about to join. Align it properly. After joining, then you're going to sew from the sleeve area using your ease allowance. You're going to go ahead and sew it down. Now I fixed my pocket off camera because I decided I wanted it to have a pocket. It was the last minute decision. So now I'm just going to align it properly. Then here is the result of what we did. Guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. We'll see you again in another video.